How to use newspaper to block weeds. Pulling weeds while gardening can be a pain at times. Sometimes when you attempt to pull weeds from the flower garden you mistakenly pull a flower, which can be frustrating. Many commercial weed products contain chemicals you don't want in your landscape, so go the green way and recycle some old newspapers to block weeds. Things you will need: mulch. Spread a layer of newspapers in the flower bed. Make the layer at least 3 or 4 sheets thick, and slightly overlap them. Place a little soil on the corners to hold them down as you lay them. Wet the newspaper that you have spread out in your flower bed. You can do this with a hose, a watering can, or even a bucket. This will help keep the newspapers in place and begin the decomposition process. Mulch the flower bed area. This will further hold the newspapers in place and will also help kill and control weeds. It also is more aesthetically pleasing than a stack of newspapers in your garden bed.